This boy heard strange noises every night since he came to his new house, and now told his father about this, and expressed his desire to leave this house. But his father said that they had to renovate the house before selling it. This night the door of the swimming pool suddenly started shaking. Then the boy's mother woke up and she asked her husband to go and see. Then, as soon as the father went downstairs, he saw his child's clothes on the edge of the pool. Now he panicked and ran towards the pool. Then he saw his son floating lifeless in the water. The man took the boy out, and the mother ran downstairs after hearing the commotion, but the boy was no longer breathing. Then the mother packed her things and decided to stay with her parents for a few days, and the father promised that he would sell this house as soon as possible. Now he saw the video of his son and regretted not believing him. Then he sent a voice message to console his wife, but the next day the wife called and said that the message he had sent was full of terrifying screams. The man immediately realized that something was wrong, so he listened carefully on the computer. It turned out it was his son's voice who was calling for help. Now the man immediately called the experts, and they started checking the equipment inside the house. Then they saw the shadowy figure of another person on the computer screen.